Who is going to write your story? Are you going to let it be written by a culture that you just have given your faith and your belief in without question? How did this culture deserve this? Did you ever ask the culture, what have you done to deserve my unequivocal giving, my faith? I've just believed you that the road to success is one way. It's through grades and through money and through where I live and how many cars I have and how youthful I look and what clothes I wear. Are you just going to give it up to this system without questioning? What have you done to prove to me that this is the way to joy? If you did, the system would hang its head in shame because the system knows it cannot offer joy. It's just hoping that no one wakes up. It's just hoping it can keep running on its steam, on its fumes, and that enough people believe in it that the system can keep producing in a mass commercial way. It defies you to wake up. We set the system ablaze because we see through it and we set it to destruction.